Hey everyone, it's Melinda Love here from Boom and Bigs TV. Today I have another exciting Nordstrom pallet haul for you guys. You may have seen the previous video where I showed you guys what we got on the first Nordstrom pallet. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link in the description. We purchased these pallets from Quicklotz warehouse for $2,200 each. The first one ended up being 857 items. 813 of them were usable, the others were damaged, and the total retail value was $67,787. Total usable value was $62,396. So let's see how we do with this pallet so we can compare the two. So if you remember seeing the pile from the first time, there were a lot more of like these plastic bags with items inside, and there were a few more things on hangers. That's not the case with this pallet. We think this is more returns. There are definitely some shelf pulls as well, and there are a few plastic bags, so we're gonna see how we do here. I was a little bit disappointed because there were a lot of North Face jackets when we were loading this into our truck, and we noticed that they were ripped. So we're back again to pick up our second pallet and load it into the truck. And it's a lot of stuff. So far we have a little pile of stuff that we've just noticed. Irreparable rips and stuff in the back, and unfortunately some North Face coats that are damaged. This one just has a little rip, but I don't think you could really fix that. So that was a little disappointing. Hopefully we don't find a lot of that in this batch, but we're gonna see what we have. I'm not going to be sharing every single item like I started to in the first video because that just started to take way too long. So as we're going through this, we're going to find about 100 pieces or so to highlight and show you guys what we got. This is a Save the Duck puffer coat with a $425 retail value, and unfortunately there is a slice in it. This is not the only jacket like this with the same issue. Unfortunately, most of the coats that we've found so far are damaged, and I don't think this can be repaired. It can definitely be donated and somebody can get use out of this. It's still a nice warm jacket, but it's not sellable, unfortunately. But there was something in the pocket, a $99 necklace, that I didn't see any flaws with that, so that was a nice bonus. This is a Lucky brand coat with a retail value of $198. The only thing I found wrong with this is that the top part of the snap is not there on both sides, so we should be able to get this one repaired. We have started a pile of stuff that needs repaired, not too many items, only if it looks like a somewhat simple fix and the piece is worth trying to pay a little bit to save. This is a top by Eula Johnson, and this is a $545 top, and at first I thought, okay, it just has a stain, we could probably get that out, but sadly there's also holes tearing away from the lace, so this is not usable, and unfortunately our pile of unusable stuff is getting bigger. A $198 shirt by Robert Graham, ruined. This is a reversible belt by Tory Burch. This belt is $198 on the Tory Burch website. And we have actually already listed and sold this item on Poshmark for $152. This was actually a really popular item. It had 15 likers in just 2 days and sold the second day. The first item is a coat by Ralph Lauren. The price on the tag is $340. A men's shirt by Peter Miller, $110. This is a Tommy Hilfiger jacket, and the price on the tag is $152. And we actually got 2 of these. This is a men's jacket by Zeniti, and the compare value is $595, and Nordstrom had this for sale for $199. And we actually got quite a few men's jackets in this haul. And I'm not going to show you all of them, but I will be showing you a couple more. A hoodie by All Saints. The price on the tag is $99. And this does need to be rolled. This looks like a return. This is a jumpsuit by Eliza J. $198. This is a little girl's North Face vest, $55. A pair of Spanx leggings, $99. A men's button-up shirt by David Donahue. The original price was $145. Kinetic jeans, $168. A Nike zip-up hoodie, and this one actually doesn't have the price on the tag, so I will have to look it up. Another Peter Miller shirt, $115. A pair of Nike joggers, $50. This is some random makeup items that you would expect to get in the accessory pallets, but they were in this pallet. So here's just a few of these items. And I'll have to look up the prices of these, but I'm assuming they're around $15 to $30 each, depending on which one you're looking at. And then a makeup case. A pair of pants by Brax, and the price on the tag is $188. And we actually got a few pair of these in different colors. A jacket by Ted Baker, and the original price for this jacket was $798. They had it on clearance for $299. A shirt by Travis Matthew, $99. A dress by Willow, $148. A North Face hoodie, $55. This is a pair of men's pants by Hickey Freeman. And these do need to be tailored to the fit of the customer. The compare value of these pants is $1,595, and they had these for sale for $699. A long sleeve shirt by Polo Sport Ralph Lauren, and the price is $125. This is a pair of sweatpants, and let me show you the brand so you can see it. This is the website, and I don't see the exact sweatpants here, but as you can see, $595, $670, $535, $730, $865. We decided to list them on eBay for $300. They are new without tags, so we don't have the tag for these, and we will be running sales and taking best offers as well. We've never sold this brand before, so we're just going to see how it does, and I also need to get these listed to Poshmark. A long sleeve shirt by Alexander Wang. The price on the tag is $295. A men's jacket by Savelle Row. The compare value is $295, and Nordstrom had this for sale for $149. And we actually got a couple of other Savelle Row pieces as well. A long sleeve shirt by Mac Zoo. This is a big 3XL, $128. A suit by Alton Lane. Compare value is $705, and Nordstrom had it for sale for $199. This is one of a couple of shirts by Imperial Armani. Similar shirts to these on their website have different prices from $135, $245, $225, $297, $135, $225, $525, $395, $255, $297. You get the idea. I don't see the exact shirt yet, but I will keep searching before listing the item to have a better idea of what the suggested retail value is. Jeans by Frame, $218. A dress by St. John Caviar, and the price on the tag is $795. A dress by Ted Baker, $325. A suit jacket by Suit Supply. Compare value is $569, and Nordstrom had this for sale for $284. A shirt by Tommy Bahama, and the price on the tag is $99, but I actually just noticed this stain right here. So we'll try to get that out, but I'm not positive. We had a few other Tommy Bahama shirts like this in various colors that also had stains. This is another men's jacket. I'll show you the name of the brand. And the original price was $1,495, and it was on clearance for $448. So that's all I'm going to be sharing with you guys for this video. I didn't share as many items as last video because it honestly just took too long. So please check out the previous video, the first pallet, to get an idea of more items that can be found on these pallets. So what I'm showing you now is everything that was usable and ready to be photographed and listed. We have folded and put in these bags so that when it comes to photos, Biggs can just grab a bag and photograph, and then I edit it and then we list it together. So as you can see, we ended up with a lot of stuff to list. And this is all 2 pallets. And just in case anyone was curious, this is where the items end up after they're listed. They do get listed into bins with bin numbers, and we put the bin numbers in the listing so we know where to find the items when somebody orders something. And as you can see, our bins were kind of getting low. Some of them have a lot of space in them, so we will just pick a bin and fill it back up. So this was actually really good timing for us. We were looking for a great opportunity to get some more inventory, but we weren't really pushing it. We were just waiting for the opportunity to come along. We knew about the Nordstrom pallets, but we weren't pressed to get something, so the price of $3,200 wasn't really appealing to us. But when we heard about the $1,000 off sale that they were offering this week, we just knew it was a perfect opportunity for us. And we happened to see the video as soon as Mariah from Quicklotz went live. So it was kind of a sign that, okay, go ahead and get this inventory. And I do think we made an amazing deal. Probably the best deal that we've made so far. So I'm excited to get this stuff listed and see how it moves. All of these bags are filled with the unusable items from both pallets, most of them coming from the second pallet. As you can see, it's a lot of stuff, and it actually took up a lot of space in the pallet. We will be donating these items because someone can still get use out of them, and some of them can be repaired. We just didn't want to put the effort into repairing it, and certain things like this one, unfortunately, I actually showed you this in this video, ended up having a really small hole right there. And yeah, we could probably list this as a new with defects with a small hole, but who wants to buy something with a hole? But somebody might still want to wear this, so we will definitely still be donating all of these clothes, and certain things might be able to be repaired. Biggs usually tries to get the stains out of anything that's stained. If it's something like a missing button or a missing zipper, we will take it to be repaired if it's worth enough. If it's not worth our time and energy, it also gets donated. Okay, now let's go over the numbers. For this pallet, the second pallet, we paid a total of $2,200 for 791 items, which equals $2.78 per item. The total retail value of all the items added up to $60,087. The damaged, unusable items was 200 items in this pallet, equaling $17,756. The total retail value of the usable items was $42,331, which brings the cost per item up to $3.71 each. So to compare these two, pallet number 1, total usable retail value was $62,396. Pallet number 2, total usable retail value was $42,331. That's a difference of $20,000. Pallet number 1 usable items was 813, and pallet number 2 usable items was 591. That's 222 less items than pallet number 1. The total cost for 2 pallets was $4,400 for 1,404 usable items, which worked out to a total cost per item of $3.14. The total usable retail value of both pallets is $104,727. So overall, we made a really amazing deal for these 2 pallets. Yes, there was a significant difference between the number of items and the value of the items of both pallets, but both still worked out to be a great value. We certainly didn't lose money, and we definitely stand to make a good profit on these pallets. I hope you enjoyed the video or found it helpful in some way. Thank you so much for watching.